question in regards to last week's Parashah. More than the Parashah itself, it's like about this issue of polygamy. So one doesn't have to be a genius to know that polygamy was not like the most enjoyable things for women back in the day. So I was wondering if this was allowed for men to get into, to perform as a punishment for the original sin from Chava.
What is it? Can you explain what is the connection? I didn't get. What is it?
Yeah, polygamy. Since women didn't enjoy this too much, like the fact that they had to share their husband with someone else. So I was wondering if this is some sort of a punishment for what Chava did.
It's not. Hashem gave us a list of the punishment. The punishment of getting the baby, giving birth, taking care of the children, and then she would be all her life. She would be like dependent on her husband, craving her husband always. But that's those are all the curses. Otherwise, this polygamy, it sounds good for crazy people. But if you one class we learned actually the laws of the marriage, the Hilchas issues, right? The laws of the women. It's very, very interesting. So this guy, actually like a husband, he's obligated to give conjugal rights to all of these women. He has to provide. So this guy, in my mind, he's a slave for all of these women. He has to provide. They have to have in their own house and this and that. Who needs that? You understand? So too many obligations to all of them. Okay, there's concubines. I understand kings, but otherwise, it's not for a normal person. I'm trying to work with one wife. That's a full-time job. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
By the way, I forgot to say thanks for the Hiddushim of Mashiach and Chava.
Yes.
That was amazing. Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. I hope I wrote it down. I'm going to check after class if I wrote down to make a clip out of it. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.